CLSA is outperform rating on a
HDFC.
banking heavyweight. Which is that one? Is it HDFC Bank? Well, let's get in Puneet to try and figure out. Puneet, which stock and what's the rationale?
Well, Neeraj, it's definitely on HDFC Bank, the big rationale. And I want to start off with a very interesting title of the report as well, because I'm sexy and I know it is what they call it on the counter. Largely, and while with the hair, I'm not conceited enough to say that about myself. It's what CLSA has maintained about the brokerage. Now, largely, they've highlighted two key issues that have plagued the counter over this particular past time. The loan to deposit ratio at 98% is a big problem, and the cost hasn't reduced despite refinancing of the wholesale bonds. Given this backdrop, they feel that the current issues are largely misconceived according to CLSA, and they've highlighted that FY27 could be a breakthrough year for the company. They've highlighted that it could be a bounce back as well, given that's now trading at a 10 to 12% discount to ICICI Bank. And also that investors are overlooking, the current franchise as well as what the growth is estimated in FY27, given this current noise. So overall, a very positive note. It's coming at a very interesting time, interesting title. But largely, CLSA thinks that it is a good time to look at HDFC Bank, outperform rating with a target price of 1,200 rupees per share.
All right, very interesting. HDFC Bank, and I'm sexy and I know it. First of all, Parag bhai, what's your view on that? Is HDFC Bank sexy?
So, I would not like to put it that way. I would like to say it is attractively valued. At 1.7 times for a 1.9% ROA business, and for a quality of the franchise, and I would say most importantly prudent lending, which HDFC and ICICI has clearly demonstrated, and SBI also have clearly demonstrated their credit costs are very well, 0.5% or something. That's very, I would say negligible.
It's pretty stable.
So I think it's a stable franchise, good quality people running it, and now available at a good discount.
So already ICICI Bank was there, and now HDFC Bank.
Yeah, so I am saying
there.
that PSU banks have done reasonably well. Of course, SBI will continue to do well, BOB will continue to do well. But now I think it is a time for private sector banks like ICICI and HDFC also to catch up.